How to start an online business from home. Best business to start within 24 hours. Now, I'm going to take you a step by step. I'm going to take you by the hand and show you exactly what is it that you need to do to start your business online. I'm going to show you something online that nobody has shown you before, because I'm going to show you the actual blueprint of what to do based on your experience, not based on somebody's opinion. I'm not selling you any course. There is no punchline for you to buy a course from me at any time. All this information is free. All I ask is subscribe and share this video. Of course, make sure to drop a like because that would help so I can bring you more free videos. Everything that I share in this video is well and thoroughly researched, unlike any other confusing YouTube videos that I apologize for because they give you wrong information most of the time. Hello, Mark Daniels here, and as I promised, I'm going to go ahead and cover the tips, tricks, and secrets about how to start an online business from home and best online business to start. So this is going to be a little bit different than what you probably see on YouTube videos because there's no such thing, and I don't believe in a thing that is just like one size fits all. So if you want to start your business online from your home, obviously you're not everybody is going to be the same. Some people are going to have some preferences. So there are majorly two preferences. A lot of YouTubers, and I do apologize for them in case, they just give you some stuff that you cannot probably use, or you probably start to use it and then you find out, well, this is not my thing. Mainly, there are two things you can start online, okay? One of them is a freelance. I'm not going to go through what is a freelancing. I'm sure you know that. But I'm going to share with you some statistics here that you're probably going to find kind of intriguing. Right here, this study was done in 2017 by the Freelance Association, and they predicted that in 2027, more freelancers, they're going to out-employ the people that work for corporate America or work in not just America, anybody working in a company in their location. But as you know, a lot of things have happened since then. Of course, you do have the corona and you have the lockdown and things like that. That changed a lot of things. Now, whole companies right now, like Twitter, for example, after the lockdown, they said, you know what? Hey, stay at home. We don't want you to come to work because it's much cost effective for the company for you to work from your home. So it's not going to be at 2027. My prediction is going to be taking place this number. We're going to see it reaching maybe in about a year or a year and a half. Most companies are going to be there. So let's say you decided to be a freelancer. Now, not all freelancers are the same. I watch on YouTube a lot of videos on YouTube before I made this one. It's all like a sheep. One person says the same thing, and the other person gives you the same thing, but give you, and additionally, they give you bad advice. Now, you got to ask yourself, which kind of a freelancing I'm going to do? Usually, there is three main ones. There is the general, technical, and design phase or space. If you go to the general, there's two that I would recommend. One of them is Fiverr. Don't underestimate Fiverr. Fiverr has came a long way, and I know some people that make over $100,000 doing their gigs on Fiverr alone. This is a disclaimer. I'm not saying that you will make any money. I don't know. I have no clue. I'm not saying that you will make $1. I just want to throw that out there so you'll know. So what I like to do is just go to fiverr.com. I want to show you something here in case you just don't know. Now, a lot of people don't know that in the pandemic in February, they were at 39 million. This is as of May because the statistics is always behind. Let me go to the other one is Upwork. As you already know, Upwork is a major platform, a platform that a lot of big companies use, and you can make more money. I want to be perfectly clear with you that you will make more money from Upwork. So let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers a little bit. In February, look at 30 million, and then they went up to 32.8. So yeah, right now they're probably about 35 million as far as visitors. They'll just tell you how popular that platform is. You don't know who is seller, who's the buyer. Which one would you start with? What would you do if you're new? I'm not going to tell you how to become a freelancer. I'll probably do a video on that. What is it that you need to do to become a a freelancer instead of just trial and error. I recommend everybody, if you're in a general area, I recommend everybody to start with Fiverr. The reason is that if you make some mistakes, it's not that big of a deal. You can adjust, you can learn how to deal with the people, with your customers, with your clients, and difficult people as well. So make sure to do that. Then you can go to Upwork, because you really don't want to make a lot of big mistakes on Upwork. Okay, and then what happens after that? Basically, you can work both of them, but I would not recommend it just going out there from day one, starting with Upwork. Learn how the system works a little bit, and then start with Upwork as well. Now, if you're technical, why in the world you want to go to a platform to compete with like 30-40 million people? It does not make any sense. And a lot of gurus, I would not call them gurus, but these are just people that making random videos from random ideas. Again, I'm not putting them down, but when somebody is giving you wrong information about your livelihood, you should have an issue with it. That's all I'm saying. If you're in a technical background, what you need to do is go to topel.com. Topel, for example, because all of the big companies that they want to go and hire somebody that knows what they're doing when it comes to technical stuff, developer or whatever it is, they come here. And this is not a joke website. This is a really serious website. And we take a look. Right now, there are about 3.2 million visitors. This is where you need to be if you are a technical person. So to do that, you need to go apply as a freelancer, and then you go from there. And I forgot to tell you about Fiverr. When you go to Fiverr, you are at this one here. It says become a seller. And then you go from here, you click on become a seller, and then you have to put in your information. It's like I mentioned, it's the same thing. You just have to log in or sign up first, then you'll decide or you want to be a seller or a buyer. All right, now we have Fiverr, we have Upwork, we have Topel for technical. As far as design, there are some designers out there that they are looking for good paying jobs. You can go to Upwork. I would recommend, doing both. Okay, let's go ahead and go to design. I would love you to start with 99designs.com. I'm not getting any money out of these companies here. I'm just doing it for you, not for me, not for anybody else. If we take a look at their numbers here as far as visitors, it's going up. Don't think this is just about send me a logo. No. Now they are getting so big. They are dealing with agencies and some companies, and you can probably recognize some of these companies that they deal with and some of these companies right here. So don't think small. 99designs.com. A few years back, it used to be different. Now it's totally a different animal. So these are the ones that I would recommend. There's no one thing. Everybody tells you, okay, go to Fiverr and then go to Upwork and good luck. No, it depends on what your specialty is. I'm about to share a secret with you, and I really want you to really pay attention to this very well. If you want to make passive income online through freelancing, you have to do it different than most freelancers do it. Freelancer leave a lot of money on the table. That's why I have a link in the description to teach you exactly how you need to do it and start making money online very quickly. And don't forget, if you want to make money online, you really need to understand what affiliate marketing is, because this is going to triple your income. To do that, all you have to do is click on this link up here, and it will show you exactly how to create passive income online along with your freelancing gigs. And as usual, I will see you at the top.